Gusts up to 70 miles per hour, and we're going to see those sustained winds through tonight and into tomorrow for a blustery Sunday. So if you have plans outside for tomorrow, you might want to move those indoors. Lots of alerts going on. Of course, the high wind warning is top of mind, but we also have a winter storm warning for the spring mountains. They're expecting snow up there as far as active weather, but also those winds are making it pretty difficult to drive in that area. So do use caution if you're going to go up there. Elsewhere, we are looking at a wind advisory, but most of Clark County seeing that high wind warning. Of course, it makes sense when you see just how insane those gusts are out there. Now, according to our desert Doppler, we're currently tracking a little bit of moisture, and I actually ran into some sprinkles on my drive to work today. We're looking at Mountains Edge, Rhodes Ranch, seeing a little bit of that rain as well as snow to the higher elevations towards Mount Charleston. Elsewhere, though, it is drier. And let me tell you, there's a lot more moisture going on towards Utah, towards Arizona. Nevada is actually on the drier side right now. Wind really is that major factor for what we're dealing with. 38 miles per hour at Green Valley right now. Really, the southern part of the city is where we are seeing the strongest wind speeds, but up towards the higher elevations like Mount Charleston right now, 24 mile per hour gusts. Red Rock, 34 mile per hour gusts. 54 mile per hour gusts towards Mountain Springs, and we're seeing them even stronger here and there. So this is again a very high wind day, and those winds are set to continue, not really escaping us until Monday. But here's the good news. They do die down. So this is the wind we're expecting over the next 12 hours around midnight, 11 p.m. Still seeing them fairly strong here in the city, but by a little bit less of a factor there. Then early tomorrow morning, those winds decrease to 20-25 miles per hour, but that's still going to make for a pretty breezy day here on Sunday. We're going to see some blowing dust continuing through early tomorrow morning with these conditions as this low pressure settles in. Also seeing our temperatures drop. We're going to hit the low 60s for our high point tomorrow. Good news is we're going to get a little bit of sunshine, but that breeze is going to still make it feel pretty chilly outside. All right, looking ahead here at our 7-day forecast, look forward to Monday because it is going to be calmer and not as insane outside here by the time we hit Monday. But again, today and into tomorrow, still continuing to see those strong conditions. Those temperatures are going to be warming up towards the end of the week into the upper 60s there Wednesday, Thursday, and then looks like next weekend we'll get an additional cool down come Saturday. J1.